All right, someone isn't telling you the full truth, or someone isn't telling you everything there is to know. It's almost like this person is trying to like put on a front to show you like, oh yeah, I'm this, and that. But there's like behind the scenes, there's a little bit more messiness. There's a little bit of chaos going on. And there's also a little bit of loneliness is what's coming through. Like this person meeting you is actually really refreshing to this person, because I'm hearing like it's very rare for them to come across someone who actually speaks their language or understands them. Now, this person is very cautious, like they're treading cautiously, so you might not be receiving or hearing a whole lot from this person for the sole purpose of them not wanting to like move too fast or do something that might, you know, cause unnecessary chaos right from the start. It's almost like this person wants to take their time in getting to know you, take their time in getting to love you. So let's dive into this a little bit further. Divine Spirit, what do we need to know about this person's feelings for you at this time? Strength, the Empress, and the Page of Pentacles. Interesting. Whoa. Okay, hold on. This person's going to be coming in hot. They are going to be coming in hot with a love offer here. Or it's like as if this person isn't going to be afraid to show you love right from the start. Like they are excited to show you what they have to offer you. Now, they recognize you for some reason with the Empress card. Like they see you in this Empress energy. The Strength card, they see that you're different. Like you stand out. Your energy stands out. I'm hearing like you hold your own. Something about you not needing this person is really interesting to them, because I don't think that this person has ever experienced a connection where they weren't needed, like whether that be for finances, emotional support, mental support, physical support, whatever it was. Because you're in this energy of like, yeah, no, I know who I am. Like I don't need you. Because you're in that energy, they want to offer you something. Like they want to offer you something. What is this something that they want to offer you, Divine Spirit? Can you clarify this Page of Pentacles? Knight of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Hierophant. Interesting. It's like they want to protect you. They want to, I'm hearing like they want to be your guide in some sort of way. Like they want to be there for you. They want to prove that they can be there for you is actually what's coming through. Like they want to prove that they're not like the others for some reason. I don't know why that's like standing out here. They really want to prove, maybe you said something to this person about like what you've been through, or maybe they can just sense it. But whatever it is, like they want to show you that love can be different, that things can be different, that they are different with the Eight of Wands. And this is happening very quickly. Like for some reason, this is going to take place very quickly. It's almost like they don't want to miss their opportunity. They don't want to waste any time when it comes to you. Divine Spirit, is there anything else we need to know about this person not wanting to waste time, what they have to say to you? They're going to be very, very clear. Like in the next 2 to 3, is it days or weeks? It could be 2 to 3 days, but it could be 2 to 3 weeks. This person is going to communicate their intentions for you clearly. And they're not like, you can listen, you can take this person seriously. They want you to take them seriously. So they are going to be coming forward with this communication to let you know what their intentions are for you. And also Heaven Sent, Temperance card, Heaven Sent, God's heard your prayers. 4 of Wands, this could be your happily ever after is what's coming through here. This could quite literally be your person, like that you've asked for. Interesting. Yeah, divine counterpart energy coming through for sure here. If you do feel called to dive in further to your personal love connection, I offer readings on my website. If you're looking for something more private, personal, hands-on, I do have my Garden of Eden membership. You can become a goddess, join the community, or do private sessions with me one-on-one each month if you join as an Empress. So all of that you can find on my website if you click the link in my bio. Okay, truthfully, I wasn't going to channel tonight, and I was about to just sit down and journal and read my book, but then God told me, nope, you have a message to share. So here I am, and here we are. So I trust that if you are here right now, then you are meant to receive this message. you have pulled your energy back from someone or something, and it is having a very powerful impact. In fact, it feels like more than one person. It feels like you suddenly just leaped into this new energy for yourself where you no longer give yourself away, like for absolutely nothing. Like you don't even feel the need to give yourself away when you do receive something. The way that you carry yourself, the way that you hold yourself in such high regards, it's almost as if the angels themselves were sent to lift your chin up, spread your wings out, look you in the eyes and say, hey, like, do you see who and what you are? Like, do you realize the power that you hold here in this world, on this earth? Do you realize what you are meant to do here? And can you look for a moment and just see where you have been falling short, not because you are shorter than or less than, but because you have believed that you were this entire time. In fact, it's almost as if you were afraid to believe in like the magnitude of your love, like the power that your love truly holds. And I don't know what you've done in the past 24 hours, or even just the past few hours, whatever you have done to take yourself from that reality into what you are meeting me here as, you have transformed into a literal winged being, is what I'm being told. So Pegasus may be significant for you at this time. White horses is also what comes to mind. And for some reason, specifically gold owls, like gold coins is also what comes to mind. So there's something tied to your finances here. You have the power right now in this moment to choose a higher path for yourself, especially when it comes to love, because you have captured somebody's attention indefinitely. Like this person is never going to forget about you. This is somebody who also doesn't want to forget about you. Like this is somebody who genuinely enjoys spending their time thinking about you, imagining what you're doing. Like the mystery of you to this person has them literally like running in circles. Now, you are meant to remain in this energy of like, I don't really care. By that, I mean, just no overextending yourself. Like you are not meant to do something to earn this love. Like you are not meant to do something for this person in order to receive love. You are genuinely just meant to show up and be loved and receive from this person. It is literally what they are here to do. It is what they are being put in your life to do. To give to you their time, their energy. And listen, they are going to love doing it. They're going to love every moment of loving you. You just have to allow it. No more playing games with yourself, no more sleeping on yourself, and no more not seeing your value, not seeing your worth. You are meant to spread your wings at this time. And by the way, this person recognizes you. Like they recognize your wings. They recognize how special you are. They recognize how valuable you are. They need to know that you know this. They need to see you fully in your power, like fully in receiving mode, because somebody like you is meant to live a life in receiving mode. You are meant to live a life that is fully provided for, fully supported, fully free. You are meant to exist in a soft energy of love. And that doesn't mean that you can't exist in a very powerful and forward movement kind of way in other areas of your life. But as far as being in a relationship goes, you are meant to be the passenger princess. You are meant to sit your pretty butt down and let someone serve you. This person is going to be the one to show you that if you allow it. Okay, that's all I'm going to leave you with. If you feel called to dive into your personal love connection, readings are available through my website. I didn't even use the cards. Pure channeling. Okay, love you so much.